Hey kids, welcome back to English class. So today we are going to learn the R blending words. So what the sound of D, D and R, R, R. When D and R are together, it makes a sound D, D. D, R, D, D, draw. Draw. D-R-A-W, draw. D-R, dress. D-R, dream, dream. Dream. D-R, drink. D-R, drive. D-R-I-V-E. D-R, drip. Drip. D-R, drum. Drum. D-R, dry. D-R-Y, dry. D-R, drone. Drone. D-R, dragon. Dragon. D-R, drill. Drill. Now there are some more words. Repeat after me. D-R, drab. D-R, draft. D-R, drake. D-R, drift. D-R, driver. D-R, drove. D-R, droop. D-R, dryer. D-R, dribble. So that's it for today's video. Keep practicing at your home. See you in the next video. Bye bye.